In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an internship to your LinkedIn profile on mobile. If you're building your career, showcasing your internship on LinkedIn is a simple move that makes a big difference. It highlights real-world experience, boosts your credibility, and helps recruiters find you more easily. I'll walk you through the LinkedIn mobile app so you can add it clearly and confidently. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once it loads, look to the top left and tap your profile icon. Tap it again to go straight to your profile page. This is where all your information lives and where you'll make this update. On your profile, look for the Add section button and tap it. A menu will pop up with categories you can add. Under the Course section, choose Add Position. This ensures your internship appears in the Experience area right alongside your other roles. A form will open. Begin with your title and company. Keep the title specific so your role is instantly clear, and use the company's official name so LinkedIn can link it to the correct organization page and logo. This small detail helps your profile look polished and authentic. Next, open the Employment Type dropdown and select Internship. This matters because it communicates to LinkedIn and to anyone viewing your profile that the role was an internship. Choosing the correct type can also improve how your profile shows up in recruiter searches. You'll see a setting called Notify Network. Turn this on if you'd like LinkedIn to share an update with your connections. Leave it off if you'd prefer to keep it low-key. If you do choose to notify, keep in mind that updates can take up to about 2 hours to appear, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Fill in your start date and, if applicable, your end date. Choose the location type, on-site, hybrid, or remote, to give context to how you worked. In the description box, briefly outline your key responsibilities and wins. Aim for clear, outcome-focused statements that mention tools, frameworks, or projects you supported. If you see options to update your profile headline or note where you found the role, use them if they add clarity. You can also add relevant skills to strengthen your profile and attach media, such as a presentation, a report, or a project link, to showcase your work visually. When everything looks good, tap Save. Your internship will now appear under your Experience section, instantly giving your profile a stronger, more professional look. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.